Governor Andy Beshear is calling for more transparency about Senator Mitch McConnell's health. The request comes as questions about the senator's condition continue to grow. Taryn Jacobs has more in our top story at 6:30.
As speculation into the condition of Senator Mitch McConnell continues, Democrat Governor Andy Beshear has written to McConnell's office requesting a more complete update on the senator's health. In part, the letter reads, "Over the last several weeks, Kentuckians have grown increasingly concerned about the current state of your health and well-being and ability to hold office in the United States Senate." Republican Senate President Robert Stivers says he has texted with McConnell and said it was, quote, in bad taste for Beshear to send a letter to McConnell.
But I think we're going through an era in politics where we just don't trust what's going on anymore.
We talked to Fox 56's political analyst Jonathan Miller about this issue. McConnell's been hospitalized since June 14th. A report from the Hill says dispatchers got a call for an unconscious person who appeared to have suffered cardiac arrest in McConnell's Washington, D.C. home. This week, some Republican lawmakers and others posted on social media saying they have spoken with McConnell. McConnell's office has provided only brief updates, saying the senator is continuing to improve while working closely with his Kentucky staff and Senate colleagues.
We should have our privacy when it comes to intimate health issues, but at the same time, when you take a position of public service, it's important to be as transparent as possible. Being able to show pictures or video, having an opportunity to hear directly from him. If he's not able to talk on air, at least, send a message.
The 84-year-old McConnell has faced several health issues in recent years. The limited information about this hospital stay has also fueled rumors online.
In today's crazy atmosphere, people are saying that they're lying, that he's dead, that he's in a vegetative state. And I think that jumping those conclusions is unfair, but in fairness to the public, not having that kind of transparency leads to that.
Miller says more open communication early on can help build public confidence.
The more you tell the earlier, the more people are going to accept things.
Taryn Jacobs, Fox 56 News.
We've been getting a lot of questions about what happens if Senator McConnell is unable to complete his term. State law says the governor would issue a proclamation calling for a special election. The law doesn't set a deadline for when that has to happen. Voters must get at least 63 days notice before the election. Within a week of that notice, each political party must nominate a candidate. The winner would serve only for the remainder of the current term, which ends in January. Republican Andy Barr and Democrat Charles Booker are already on November's ballot for the next full 6-year Senate term.